Hey guys, Lucas here at Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to talk about a big old bag. Alright, so what we got here is an Eagle Industries small deployment bag. They call it small. I kind of want to know what the big one looks like, because if this is small, then the big one's got to be bigger than me. But it's a pretty cool roller duffel bag. What these do is they issue these out and they're full of kit. So if you ever see like FSLCS kit, it comes in a bag like this. So yeah, overall, it's a big duffel bag, bigger than your standard like nylon duffel, even the improved ones. It's got a lot of great components to it. So first off, pretty big main compartment. As you can see here, you can cinch it down with these buckled straps, and it's got a big zipper that's going to keep everything safe inside. That's a two-way zipper, big sturdy zipper. On the top, or the front, however you want to consider it, you got a grab handle for moving this thing around, as well as a pocket up here to keep, paperwork, any smaller items good to go. Also some D-rings to secure stuff on there, and another carry handle right there as well as carry handles right here. So I mean, plenty of carry options to start off with. Then you got another carry handle. So whenever you want to carry this thing, you can carry it. On the side, right here, you have two more big zipper pouches for other gear, small items, whatever you need to put in there. Keep things organized, keep your bulky items in the middle, smaller items organized on top and on the side. The other side's got a big full-length pocket, so if you have other bigger items, it's going to go right there, which is really nice because you can stay organized really easy. On the back, or on the bottom, whichever way you want to consider it, you got shoulder straps, kind of your basic duffel bag straps, which is a whole other way to carry this thing. Because at the end of the day, this frame is removable, so you can remove this frame and you have just a duffel bag to throw around and carry like that. Or if you want to roll it because it's real heavy, you got a roller bag with two, skateboard wheels, if you want to call them that. It's nice and sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere. These aren't going to crack on you. To remove it, this is big Velcro. Yeah, but you can see that big old flap right there is not coming off easy. So once you get on there, it's pretty secure. So you can roll it around, going through the airport. If you want to take this with you, take it camping, this is going to fit everything you need. It's going to organize it, throw in the back of your truck, throw in your trunk. Going to the range, you have an AR, you can break down your AR in there. That's going to fit nice. All your kit, your helmet, your gear, your ammo, everything's going to go in here and be nice and safe for you to carry around. So hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed looking at this big bag. Ever used one? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And head on over to VentureSurplus.com, check out all the gear we got.